Now let's see how can we use the annual worth method to solve the replacement analysis problem. So we are given an example on the left. The company here has two decisions, either to upgrade the current robot or purchase a new one. So now we calculate the annual worth of the Defender, which would be upgrading the current robot. Now let's look at these ingredients in this table on the left, one by one. So at the year 0, we have two cost components. That's actually the current market value and the required upgrade. These two combined can be considered as the initial capital investment. So we put that together for the year 0. And since we are doing the annual worth, so we're taking the present value and want to calculate the annuity. So use this factor, and given that's 20% interest rate and for 6 years. Now the next one will be the annual expenses. Though this guy is just annuity, so we can just add it to the current formulation. Now the next one will be the market value at the end of useful life. Note here, the market value for the Defender is a negative number. So we just add that number, will be, and transfer, since it's future values, we need to transfer that back to the annuity. So we given the negative market value at the end of useful life, and we will take that to the annuity. So given the future value, 20% and 6 years. We just plug in the numbers and we can get the final answer for the Defender as an annual worth as $13,579. Then let's look at the annual worth of the Challenger. And we still look at the ingredients one by one. So at the year 0, the capital investment for the Challenger will be the purchase price plus installation cost. So together, we put that together and convert it to the annuity. So that would be the minus 51,000 plus 5,500. And we calculate the annuity given the present value. And for 20%, and it's 10 years. Okay, then next one would be the annual expenses. So it's already set there. It's minus 1,000. And then here we have the positive market value. So then we need to add the market value, but transfer that to the annuity. So given the future value of 7,000 and we want to find the annuity, let's do 20% and for 10 years. And then we will have this equals minus 14,206. Just notice that even though they have unequal length of useful life, since we're using the annual worth method, that will be fine. Now we can see this number is actually smaller than my negative 13,579, which is the Defender. So basically that means Defender has lower cost. So we will select the Defender. Just to recap, when we calculate the annual worth of the Defender, we still want to make sure you understand this current market value of the Defender correctly. So to understand this current market value of this Defender, that means when we want to upgrade this robot, instead of purchasing a new one, that means we give up the opportunity to obtain the realized current market value of this old robot. So that would be considered as an opportunity cost. and that would be considered as the capital investment. And the other part we should notice is for this guy, usually the market value we have seen the problems are a positive number, and then we usually have a positive sign here. But for this problem is different, so the market, that means we should pay attention to this number. Sometimes it could be negative, so in this case we need to place a negative sign here. Thanks for watching.